Yes, good morning children. How are you? Okay. Did you do the homework which I had given in the previous class? Yes, good children. Okay, let us start. Children, already you know the numbers 1 to 100. Okay, you know the addition on the two-digit numbers, subtraction on the two-digit numbers, and the ascending and descending order on the two-digit numbers. Okay, can you say which is the smallest one-digit number? Yes, 1 is the smallest one-digit number. Okay, then can you say which is the largest one-digit number? Up to 9 there are only one-digit numbers. Okay, one digit means only one digit is here. Okay, then after 9, yes, 10. Look, 10. How many digits are there? 2 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 2 digits. Then can you say which is the largest two-digit number? Yes, 99 is the largest two-digit number. After 99, 99 plus 1, yes, 100. How many digits are there? Yes, 3 digits. So it is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay. Now you can say the largest 3-digit number. Here when we write the largest 2-digit number, there are 2 9s. You can see. Yes, 2 9s. How can we write the largest 3-digit number? Yes, write the 9 3 times. Do you know which is the number? How can we read it? 999. Say 999. Okay. Let us understand some 3-digit numbers. Okay. Children, can you say 200 plus 30 plus 2. How can we write it? Already you know. I shall ask one question. Then 30 plus 5. Yes, 35. Just like that we can write it. Here there are 2 ones, 3 tens and 2 hundreds. Say 2 ones, 3 tens, 2 hundreds. Then we can make a chart. I shall teach you. There is a chart. How many digits should be there? 1, 2, 3. So ones, tens and hundreds. Say ones, tens and hundreds. So you can say how many ones are there? 2 ones. Then how many tens are there in 30? 3 tens. Okay, good. Then in 200, how many hundreds are there? Yes, 200. So under H, 2. Which is this number? Read it. 232. So the short form of this number, that is 232. Okay. Did you get it? I shall give more examples to make it understand. Okay, children, or listen here. One more example. 239. Read it. 239. Let us arrange this number in the place value chart. First, how many ones are there? Yes, 9 ones. Next, 3 tens. Next, 2 hundreds. Okay. How can we write the expanded form or long form of this number? Yes, 200. Say 200s. 200. Then plus. How many tens are there? 3 tens. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Next. How many ones are there? 9 ones are 9. It is the expanded form or long form of this number. Okay. Can you write the number name of this number? How can we write? Yes, using this place value chart, we can write it very easily. Say 239. How can we read it? 239. 200 and 30. 30 spelling? Yes, THIRTY. THIRTY. 30. 9. NINE. 9. It is the number names. Okay. 239. 2 spelling? TWO2. 100 spelling? Yes. HUNDRED. Say HUNDRED. 100. And 30 spelling? THIRTY. 30. NINE. 9. 239. Can you get it? Okay. Next, let us do the 3-digit numbers on abacus. 3-digit numbers on the abacus. What is written here? Abacus. Read. Spell ABACUS. 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 Okay. All of you have seen the abacus. All listen. Here, how many digits are there? 3 digits now. So, we should draw 3 lines. What do you see on an abacus? Yes, beads. For example, here, let us write the digits here. How? 9 ones, 3 tens and 2 hundreds. To represent the 9 ones, we should give 9 beads here. How can we give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many beads are there? 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads. It shows that yes, 9 ones. Then come to the tens line. How many beads should be there? 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next, come to the hundreds line. How many beads are needed? 1, 2 beads. Okay. Here we have to give the beads as per the given digits. Okay. Can you get it? Look here. Now I have shown an abacus here. Can you find the number? Yes. Here ones line, tens line and hundreds line. Tell how many beads are here? 2 beads. So we should write 2 here. Then how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3 tens. 3. Then how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. Now can you read the number? Yes, 532. Okay. Now I am going to give some activities. Take your book, page number 82. Homework, page number 82. Then you can see some activities, enrichment activities, mental maths. Okay, you should do the activities. Okay, good. Okay, take your book, page number 83. Here we can do the exercises. Exercise number 2. Children, here we can see 3 layers of cubes. Each layer contains 100 cubes. So how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3 hundreds are there. So it is written here 3. Okay. Here you can see 2 lines of cubes. Each line contains 10 cubes. So how many tens are there? 2 tens. So let us write 2 tens. Here we can see some loose ones. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us write 5. Okay. Now let us give the digits under the letters. How many hundreds are there? Yes, 3 hundreds. How many tens are there? 2 tens. And how many ones are there? 5 ones. Yes, O for ones, T for tens, and H for hundreds. And next one. How many layers are there of 100 cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers are there. So let us write 5 hundreds. Then how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3 means 3 tens. Then how many ones are there? Yes, only 1. So let us write the number 500. Next 3 tens and 1. Okay. Next one. How many layers are seen there? Yes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 hundreds. Next, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 tens. Next, how many ones are there? 1, 2. 2 ones. Okay, let us write the number here. Under 100, how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds. How many tens are there? Under T? 4. How many ones are there? 2 ones. Now can you read this number? Yes, 642. See, 642. Next, how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. Then how many tens are there? 2 tens. And how many ones are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 ones. Let us write 200. Then tens, 2 tens, and ones, 7 ones. 227. Next one. Can you do it? Yes, it is for homework. You should do it. Okay. Let us go to the next exercise. Here we have to write the number. Look here. What is given here? 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. How can we write it in figure? Yes. Here. H, T, O. H for 100, T for tens, and O for ones. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. Then how many tens are there? 6 tens. And how many ones are there? 9 ones. Okay. Next. What is given here? 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 0 ones. Let us give the digits. Under 100, you can see 4 hundreds. Okay, 4 hundreds, and yes, 3 tens and 0 ones. What is this? 430. And what is this? 569. Now let us write the number names. How can we write? Read it. 569. 500. 5 spelling F-I-V-E. 500. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And what is remained then? 69. 60 spelling S-I-X-T-Y. 60. 60. Then 9. 9 spelling N-I-N-E. 9. Did you get it? Okay. Next. Here, how can we read it? 430. Read. 430. 4 spelling F-O-U-R. 400. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And what is remained then? 30. 30 spelling T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Okay. Next. Now you can write the number. What is here? 700. Under 100. 7. Then below tens. 0. Then how many ones are there? 3 ones. Look. 700. 0 tens and 3 ones. Okay. How can we read it? 700 and can you see any tens here? No, 0 tens. So no need to say. It's only 703. Read 703. Let us write the name. 700. 7 S-E-V-E-N. 700. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 0 tens. There is nothing. Then 3 ones and 3 th on double tree. Read 703. Did you get it? Okay. You have to do the remainder works in the exercise. Okay? You should do that.